What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can connect your Plutus card to your Google Pay wallet. Also, before we get started, if you want to open a new Plutus account or you know someone who might benefit from Plutus, I will leave a sign up link through which you get $10 when you sign up in the description below. So let's get started. Now first off, you need to get your card information, so open up your Plutus app. Once you open up your Plutus app, go to the Hub section right here, in the bottom right corner. Once you're in the Hub section, go to your cards right here. Now here you can see your virtual card and your physical card next to it. So depending which card you want to connect to Google Pay, you would need to get the data from that card. So I want to connect my virtual card, so I will just click Show Details right here. Now here you can copy the card number and exit the Plutus app. Now open up the Google Pay app. And here just simply click this Add to Wallet button. Now select a payment card, which is the first option. Then click New Credit or Debit Card right here. And now on this next screen, you can input your Plutus card information. And once you input all the info from the card, that being your card number, the month and year when card expires, and your security code, you can click this More button right here. Then this will auto scroll to the bottom of the page, so then you can just click Save and Continue. Now Google Pay will check if the card is eligible to be connected with Google services, and after that you would need to accept the issuer terms, so the Plutus terms of use. So you can just again click this More button right here just to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Once you auto scroll to the bottom of the page, you can click Accept right here. Then you would need to verify that you are connecting the card to your Google Pay account, and you can choose between a text code or an email code. For this example, I will choose the text code because it's a bit faster. And there we go. The text code has arrived, so you can just input it in the code field and press Continue. And then Google Pay offers you to enable the NFC feature, which you can enable on your device right here if you want to make physical payments with Google Pay. But for this example, I won't turn it on, so you can just click Not Now. And there we go. Our card is connected to Google Pay and ready to use. So you can just click Got it right here. And now your Plutus card will be one of the connected cards on your Google Wallet. So that's how you connect your Plutus card to Google Pay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.